is one of my most favorite products I've gotten off of TikTok. Okay, so number one, TikTok is not a scam. TikTok, it's basically turning into an Amazon, and Amazon's gonna want to figure it out quick because there are so many dope products on the Amazon stores, and it just keeps getting better and better. So this is a jump rope. I have been looking for a really, really dope jump rope. As you guys can see, if you look at my page, I'm all about health, fitness, and mindfulness. I always post about all that stuff, right? Like you guys see me jump roping, you guys see me lifting weights. So this, you guys, is a jump rope, and it counts your calories, and it counts how many jumps you did. So it already came charged. Okay, so there's the batteries on the back. It already came charged. And so what you're going to want to do is just hit on. And then as you can see, hopefully, oh my gosh, hopefully, is the camera going to pick it up? Oh, let me see if it'll pick it up. Okay. So as you can see, so that's my weight. So I'm 140 pounds. Obviously I haven't used it yet. And then you can type in you can type in your weight and then your jumps. So this is what's cool. If you're in like the sauna and you don't necessarily want to use a whole jump rope, you can actually take this out right here. So take out the end of it. And also this is really, really good quality. Like this is dope. And it's also available if you want to check it out. It's available in the cart and in the description for those on YouTube. But so this is how it is. And you can also adjust it to your size. So I'm going to take this all the way out, right? So that's how it is. So this is it by itself. Now, if you don't want to actually use the jump rope, it'll still count how many times you use this, and you'll be able to tell how many calories you burned. So you simply just do it like this. And obviously I'm doing this with one hand. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. It'll be kind of cool if I can. So take this, you put it through, and then you put it through like that. Okay. So you just put it through, and then see how, and then it's in there really, really snug. Now you have this, right? So you're like, okay, what the heck? So see, it's on. Okay. And this is what it looks like. So it's going to, as you can see, I'm 140 pounds, and let's see how many calories it takes, how many jumps it takes to burn like 10 calories. So let's see. So, and you can just be like, just jumping, like, I'm going to go on later with this, but you can see how many, like if you had it in your hand and you were jumping, so you could see how many. So let's see how many. And this is like, this little ball is like pretty heavy. So also if you want to check this out, like I'm super excited about this jump rope, because then you can kind of see, okay, like if you want to burn, 200 calories, like after dinner or something, you can actually see, like, just, do this real quick in the garage, or do this real quick out in front of your house or in your living room. And then you can see. So let's see how many I burned. Okay, so 7 calories. Oh my God. It took 60 jumps for 7 calories. So that's how you know this is real. A lot of the ones that are at like I just reset it. But a lot of the ones that are at like the treadmills and things like that at the gym, they're not accurate. It should be like a lot of effort to burn a decent amount of calories. When you've only been on the treadmill for 10 minutes and it says you burned 300 calories, it's not correct. So as you can see, and then you'd be jumping with this, right? Like you don't have to, and see how I put that, remember how I put this in at the beginning of the video, and it stays in there. Like this is a really heavy, like it's a heavy ball. So also too, you can set it to your own weight. Okay. So that's, if you want to just reset it, you just hit that one. It says on. This one, it says up. So like if I want to set it, I just, like if I want to change my weight, I just go up like this. So that's on. Oh, there we go. Oh, actually, I think you maybe do hit this one. Okay, hold on. Let's do it together. So boom. Oh, so that's the time. So see, you just got to kind of play around with it. How did I do it yesterday? So, oh yeah, set. So this one down here says set. And then you can set it to the jump. You could set it to the time. You could set it to your weight. So now I'm on my weight. So if I want to go up in weight, if I want to go down in weight, so this says up and down right here, and this says on, this says set. Okay, so let's just set it. We're good. We're good. So now I'm just going to do on. So boom. So now it's where I want it. And then again, let's see how many. So imagine, if I'm jumping with this in my hand, and again, you don't, I would personally put this back in just because I want to get in the habit of jumping with it. But like sometimes you just don't have the space to be able to use the actual rope. So let's see. Okay, boom. Okay, so how many jumps did I do? Okay, so 6 calories for 50 jumps. So that it was the same as last time. So when I went to so pretty much it seems like for every 10 jumps you burn, let's see. For every 10 jumps you burn 1 calorie. So let's see how many it'll come out to. Also too, make sure to get this down in the cart. It's available down in the left hand side corner. Okay, let's see. Oh, maybe that it does it when you hit. Okay, yeah. So I hit 100. I hit 100 jumps, and it's 12 calories. So this is the real deal. You got to put in some work, but I love how it's honest. So this is like a game changer. Like I'm obsessed with this. And then too, you can just go to like Walgreens or let's see where else, like a Walgreens or a CVS if you want to just if the battery goes out. And this again is like really, really good quality. So this is legit. I'm like really excited. Also too, make sure to follow as you guys are coming in. I'm going to be like, I'm obsessed with the TikTok showcase. Like all the stuff that I've been ordering and getting is like, it's insane. Like how good this stuff is. It's coming on time. It's not coming broken. It's, if you check out my last post, you can see kind of like my journey. I've been using TikTok Shop for like a month now, and everything I've gotten in, I've been happy with. There hasn't been one return, none of that. So, and then what if I just wanted to like if it goes, I'm curious if it goes dark again on me, I want to make sure, I want to see if it, like, I'll just be able to push the up button without completely resetting it. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. So don't push the on button like I was. Push the reset, or I'm sorry, push the on. Don't push the on button, push the up button right here, up. So that's how you do that. So definitely make sure to tap in. This is really legit. I'm excited. This is probably on my top 3, I think, favorite gadgets. And this is one I'll actually use because there's just times I don't want to go to the gym. And as you can see, I have a Peloton in my bedroom, and I have like a bunch of like ankle weights and stuff like that under my bed. So sometimes I'll just literally push my bed over to the side and I'll just do an entire workout like right here because I don't want to go to the gym. But I do love the gym, but I don't necessarily want to be there every day. It's winter outside, it's winter, it's cold, but I still want to like make sure to like keep up with my goals, right? So it's definitely something to invest in yourself with. And obviously males can use it, children can use it, women can use it. It's for everybody. So definitely tap in with this. Make sure to get it in the cart right here. Also too, I post all of my lives on my YouTube. So if you ever want to catch me again, like if you're like, oh man, like there was something that she said and I want to, but like I kind of forgot what it was. I post all of these on my YouTube, so you can tap in with me over there. If you click the link in my bio, it'll take you straight to my YouTube, or it's just CianaSingh. It'll come right up, CianaSingh. You'll see my profile picture, and it comes right up. All right, so definitely make sure to get this. Send this to anybody who will love this. This is pretty legit. And again, I haven't seen a jump rope yet, personally, where you can take off the rope and then you can like put these balls on, and it still gives, like when I'm holding it in my hand, it still feels like I still have the sensation of like an entire jump rope being there. So that's pretty cool. And again, if I want to just take this off, you just push this out So you just push this guy out. Of course, you'd have both hands, but you push this part out. This comes out like that. Boom. Take this out. And then you just put this one in when you want to start jump roping. So I'm just going to use both my hands right now. I usually have my camera set up and all that, but at the moment I'm not able to do that. Oh, here, let me do it. It was this one. This one's already hooked up. So I was about to put it on the same one. So again, you just want to put this through and then put that like this. Oh, this is like a fun little game trying to do it with one hand. Okay. And again, so say if like you're taller or say if you're shorter, okay? If you're taller, you could just keep it like that. But if you're shorter, you can pull a lot through to make the jump rope shorter, which I love because there's been times where I've gotten jump ropes and they're too long or they're too short. So I like how I can make this to my own body, my own height. So this is really dope, guys. Definitely make sure to get this. Also, excuse my nails. I'm getting my nails done, so just letting you know that. But yes, definitely make sure to get this. Oh, okay. So it says I've burned. So from doing all that, it says if I was jumping, I would have burned 33 calories. So that's pretty dope. I love it. Definitely make sure to tap in and make sure to follow and catch me on my next one. Bye.